In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a full dashboard tour of Make, the powerful automation platform. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening your browser and heading over to Make, then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main Make dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing all of your automations. From here, you can access your scenarios, connections, templates, and workspace settings, so it's the command center for everything you'll do in Make. Take a moment to look at the left sidebar. This navigation menu contains all the primary options and helps you move quickly between different areas of Make. Go ahead and click on Scenarios. This section holds every automation workflow you create, edit, organize, or manage. Each scenario is displayed as a card that shows the scenario name, whether it's currently on or off, the last time it ran, and any scheduling details. If you ever need to find a specific workflow, locate the search bar at the top and use it to quickly filter through your scenarios, folders, or entire workflows. You'll also notice scenario folders, which are incredibly useful for grouping related automations by project, client, or department. Now click on the Templates section. Here you can browse ready-made automation examples that help beginners learn common workflow patterns without starting from scratch. Next, open Connections from your account or workspace settings. This screen shows all the applications and services you've connected to Make, like Google Sheets, Gmail, Airtable, or Notion. It's a good habit to periodically check which apps are currently authorized. If you're working in a shared workspace, click on Teams to manage users, permissions, and collaboration settings. To start building, click Create a new scenario. This opens the Scenario Builder, which is the visual workspace where automations come to life. Once inside the builder, click the plus button to add modules. You can search for specific apps and actions from hundreds of supported integrations, giving you triggers and modules to connect into a workflow. Don't forget to explore the scheduling controls for each scenario, which let you configure how often your workflows run automatically. When you're ready to test, use the Run Once button to manually run your workflow. Absolutely essential when you're building something new. Finally, open any scenario and examine its execution history. Click on individual runs to inspect the input data, output data, and any error messages. You can also monitor your operations usage and statistics right from the dashboard to track how much automation activity you're using. And there you have it, a complete tour of the Make dashboard. You now know exactly how to navigate the platform, manage your workflows, and start building. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.